Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel today. My name is Bill, and I'm going to go over the last video I did. I showed you the putting together of the Wen dust extractor. Today I'm going to go over the accessory kit I got at Harbor Freight. It's for the central machinery one, but it should hopefully do the same for the Wen as well. But it's got a few things up inside it that I'm kind of excited to use. Hopefully it's going to do what I need to do, but I'm going to unbox it today for you and let you see what's all inside this box, and then I'll try to get it all put together, and I'll drop another video of me having it all connected and how it works and what it does for it. But today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the unboxing of it and show you the unboxing of it. I showed you putting the Wen together on the last video, and then the next video will be of it all connected together and working and doing its thing. So something you want to see, stay by, and I'll get started on it. Right. Calipers are good for many things, aren't they? All right, so let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what is all in the box. You got your directions. All right, put that here to the side. And you got your hood. I think that was for the table saw. So we'll put that over here to the side. Got a couple different, 1, 2, 3, 4 different of the connectors. To connect them all together. Oh, got another one over here. And you got your Y hose. I like that. So if I do have 2 of them going, I'll be able to use 2 of them. If you have a 3D printer, you can even print your own stuff, like your own reducers and things like that for it. But we have that. A couple more little small ones. And these, I like these right here. This is going to be nice and helpful. You'll be able to turn them on or have them off. So, you can have 2 of them going, 2 of them hooked up, and then, when you're not trying to use this side here, you can close it. When you do need to use it, you can open it up. Also 3D printable, which I probably will 3D print more of those. But you do get 2 of those. So that's 1 for each side. That'll be 1 for each side here. So that's what that'll be for. And then, of course, you got your 2 hose pipes. So that's what comes with it. I'm going to play around with it a little bit and get it all set up, and I'll let you guys see what it is once it's all done. But that's pretty much it that's in the box. 2 10-foot hoses, and those other couple things, and I'll get it connected together or get it put up on the dust collector, and we'll see how it does for us. All right. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.